In general, is actually we are very bad at being customer-centric. We are product-centric. So we develop a product, and then we try to sell it to a vast amount of customers. Instead of being customer-centric, try to see, okay, which customer segment needs what, and then deliver a customized product. So this is for me the absolute biggest thing, okay, or most important thing. I mean, yourself, when you wake up on Monday morning, the first thing that you think is not an insurance, right? Me neither. Well, I have to because it's my job. But yeah, the thing is, have you heard today, which is true, insurance is not a pull product, it's a push product. So you try to sell it and sell it and sell it, unless you have an accident, and then it's a pull product and you want to be protected. So yes, it's a difficult product to sell. So now how to make it relevant is to surround it with services that are daily relevant for the customer. And you don't interact with your insurance every day. You do it maybe once in 3 years, or once a year if you receive, okay, the bill that you need to pay. So now we have to increase those interactions. And we don't increase it with more insurance. We increase it with more relevant services. And this is what we are striving for. So I see Omni is more on the efficiency side. So you guys are the claims expert, right? So this is, okay, where I would see Omni is, in improving our claims management. It's still too lengthy, and it needs to be shortened. It needs to be faster. It needs to be ideally instantaneous, so immediate. That's the vision. Some company do it using AI. Some do or claim to do it with AI, but at the end they're just paying actually without doing any kind of analysis beforehand. But if I was a customer, if I have an issue and I'm covered, I would like to be paid in the next seconds. It depends on two things. Depends on the model. If you're a mutual, then of course everything that you collect gets back to your customer. If you're a profit-oriented company, what you want is actually to make a better risk selection, because the better the risk selection, the better your profit, and the better profit, so you can invest in your future. Because if you start making losses, well, you're gonna die in the next years. So you need to be profit-oriented, which is the name of the game. But at the same time, as I said, you need to heavily invest in your in innovation if you want to become relevant in the future. So yes, one part is paid back to the good customers. I mean, you can take the example of pay how you drive. The better you drive, the less you pay. But because in terms of risk selection, you're the good risk, and some of the margin goes to need to go to innovation to stay relevant. It depends, okay, on how adaptable you are. It's a Darwinian. Personally, I think that I would not like, okay, to care about insurance. For me, the vision of insurance should be like a guardian angel. That if I have something happening, whatever happens in my life, an accident or a need or whatsoever, so a lifetime partner that is this guardian angel that can protect me anytime when I need it. But I don't need to have that kind of, let's say, of interaction that I'm currently having. This is too cumbersome. It is too complicated. We need to simplify it, and we need to protect people when they need us.